The CAT 972M wheel loader is a powerhouse in material handling, featuring a robust 296 horsepower engine and an operating weight of 25.6 tons. Designed for efficiency, it offers exceptional lifting and loading capabilities with its high-performance bucket. The advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, while its durable frame and reinforced components withstand the toughest worksite conditions, maximizing productivity and uptime. The XCMG XGC 88,000 crawler crane is a powerhouse in heavy lifting, boasting a record-breaking lifting capacity of 4,000 tons. Powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine, this 4,800-ton giant maneuvers with precision and stability. Its innovative counterweight and boom design optimize load distribution, enabling efficient operation in the toughest environments. Ideal for mega projects, the XGC 8000 is engineered for ultimate performance and reliability. Volvo C-Series. Motor graders are built for precision and power, featuring an engine output of up to 287 horsepower. Weighing approximately 17.3 tons, these graders deliver superior grading performance with their advanced hydraulic systems and adjustable blade configurations. Ideal for road construction and maintenance, the C-Series ensures optimal fuel efficiency and operator comfort, making them a top choice for heavy-duty grading tasks. The PM1000URM plus RU800S are rare sightings on the tracks, combining impressive power and precision. Weighing around 240 tons, these machines feature engines with up to 1,600 horsepower, capable of lifting, moving and laying tracks efficiently. Designed for railway maintenance, their synchronized operation ensures quick, safe and effective rail renewal, minimizing downtime and maximizing track stability. The Hitachi ZW310. The Hitachi ZW310 is a powerhouse wheel loader designed for demanding tasks. Equipped with a 224 kilowatt 300 horsepower engine and weighing 24 tons, it excels in material handling and construction work. Its advanced hydraulics ensure precise control and efficiency. Priced at approximately $250,000, this machine offers excellent performance and reliability, making it a top choice for heavy-duty operations. The next wrencher, D250, is a high-performance trenching machine designed for precision and efficiency. Powered by a 350 horsepower engine and weighing 35 tons, it excels in cutting and shaping trenches in various soil conditions. Its advanced control system ensures accurate and reliable operation. The LT Master by Gurweil is a versatile bale wrapping machine engineered for optimal efficiency in baling and wrapping silage, hay or other materials. Powered by a 130 horsepower engine and weighing 14 tons, it automates the process, enhancing productivity. Its advanced control system ensures precision. The Chemrock KSI 12000 is a cutting-edge continuous miner designed for high-efficiency rock excavation. Featuring a robust 550 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 30 tons, it handles large-scale mining tasks with ease. Its advanced cutting technology ensures precise material removal. The Liebherr LB44, Mr. Torque, rotary drilling rig, is a powerhouse for deep foundation work. With a formidable 600 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 90 tons, it excels in drilling through tough soil and rock conditions. Its high torque and advanced hydraulic system ensure precise and efficient drilling. The LB44 offers exceptional performance and reliability for complex construction projects. The Russian multi-purpose mechanized complex KVD is designed for the rapid deployment of temporary roads in tough environments. Powered by a 500 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 70 tons, it quickly lays modular road sections, allowing vehicles to traverse unstable terrains like mud, snow, or sand. Its versatility makes it ideal for military, construction, and emergency operations, providing critical infrastructure in record time. The Plöger MKC-4TR is a specialized machine for efficient coriander harvesting. Equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, it handles delicate crops with precision and care. Its advanced harvesting system ensures minimal crop damage and high efficiency, making it ideal for large-scale coriander production. Its robust design and performance capabilities enhance productivity in agricultural operations. The Hyundai R1200-9 is a robust and powerful excavator designed for heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with a 446 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 120 tons, it delivers exceptional digging force and stability. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control, making it ideal for large-scale construction and mining projects where reliability and performance are crucial. The Duca Banquet Fraser SBF 900 is a high-performance road milling machine engineered for precision in road maintenance. It features a powerful cutting width of 900 millimeters and is designed to handle demanding milling tasks with ease. Its advanced technology ensures efficient material removal and exceptional finish, making it an essential tool for road resurfacing and repair projects. Number 3. The SLJ 900/32. The SLJ 900/32 is a groundbreaking bridge building machine, also known as the Iron Monster, designed for rapid construction of large bridges. Weighing 580 tons, priced at $4,500,000, it features a powerful 630 horsepower engine. Its unique design allows it to lift and transport heavy bridge segments efficiently, minimizing construction time and enhancing safety while building bridges across difficult terrains with remarkable precision. Number 2. The Hitachi EX 8000. The Hitachi EX 8000 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, engineered for maximum performance in the toughest mining environments. It is powered by twin 1,450 horsepower engines, providing a total of 2,900 horsepower and weighs a staggering 830 tons, priced at $8 million. Its immense bucket capacity and robust hydraulic systems make it ideal for large-scale excavation and heavy-duty material handling. Number 1. The P&H4100XPC. The P&H4100XPC is a powerful electric mining shovel designed for high-performance mining operations. Weighing over 1,600 tons, priced at $11 million, it boasts an impressive 4,000 horsepower and features a 120-ton payload capacity. This machine's robust design allows it to handle the toughest mining tasks with precision and efficiency, maximizing productivity in demanding environments while reducing operational costs. We've just journeyed through the 10 largest heavy machines on the planet. Now get ready to some of the most unique heavy machinery. Which one will stand out to you? Keep watching to find out. The Becker float truck is designed for seamless floatplane haul-out operations, combining power and precision. Equipped with a robust engine producing up to 300 horsepower, it effortlessly handles the demanding task of moving floatplanes from water to land. This truck is built to provide stability and reliability, ensuring safe and efficient haul-out, even in challenging conditions. Number 7. The Liebherr HS8130HD. The Liebherr HS8130HD is a dynamic soil compaction crawler crane built for maximum efficiency in ground improvement. Powered by a 400 horsepower engine and weighing 135 tons, it delivers exceptional performance in compacting large areas. Its robust design and advanced hydraulic system ensure precise and powerful compaction. Priced at around $1.3 million, the HS8130HD is ideal for demanding construction sites. Number 6. The Hitachi Dump Truck Trolley. The Hitachi Dump Truck Trolley is a high-performance hauler engineered for maximum efficiency in mining operations. Powered by an impressive 2,800 horsepower engine and weighing 270 tons, it excels in transporting massive loads with ease. Equipped with an electric trolley assist system for reduced fuel consumption, it's priced at approximately $2 million, offering both power and cost savings in demanding environments. Number 5. The Liebherr R9400. The Liebherr R9400 is a high-performance hydraulic excavator designed for demanding mining operations. With a powerful 600 horsepower engine and a weight of approximately 345 tons, it delivers exceptional digging and loading capabilities. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control and efficiency. Priced at around $3.5 million, the R9400 offers both strength and reliability for large-scale earth-moving tasks. Number 4. The Caterpillar 6090FS. The Caterpillar 6090FS is a colossal mining excavator engineered for massive earth-moving tasks. It features dual engines delivering a combined 4,500 horsepower and weighs an astounding 1,000 tons. With a bucket capacity of 52 cubic meters, it can move immense amounts of material swiftly. Priced at around $10 million, the 6090FS is unmatched in power and productivity. The Tesmec 1150 EVO is a robust chainsaw trencher designed for mid-sized pipeline installations. Weighing 60 metric tons, it features a powerful 451 horsepower engine, capable of digging trenches up to 12 feet, 366 centimeters, deep and 42 inches, 107 centimeters wide. This model is equipped with the Trenchtronic 5.0 system, making it ideal for efficiently handling pipelines and underground utilities. Number 10. The Bucyrus Erie 50B. The Bucyrus Erie 50B is a versatile dragline excavator known for its efficient material handling in mining and construction. Weighing approximately 75 tons, priced at $45,000, it delivers around 450 horsepower, providing the power needed for heavy-duty digging and lifting tasks. With a bucket capacity of up to 4 cubic yards, the 50B excels in excavating and transporting materials, enhancing productivity on the job site. Number 9. The Letourneau L1150. The Letourneau L1150 is a powerful wheel loader designed for heavy-duty mining operations, boasting a 1,600 horsepower engine and a weight of 142 tons, priced at $1,350,000. Its massive bucket capacity and robust hydraulic system allow for efficient material handling and loading. Built for extreme conditions, the L1150 delivers unmatched performance, durability, and productivity in challenging mining environments. Number 8. The Mega Bottom Dump. The Mega Bottom Dump is a robust mining truck designed for efficient material transport. With a powerful engine delivering up to 2,000 horsepower, it handles heavy loads with ease. Weighing over 200 tons, priced at $1.8 million, this truck is built for durability and stability, featuring a unique bottom dump design that enables quick unloading, minimizing cycle times, and maximizing productivity on site. The Garronnet chain shearers are designed for high-precision cutting of heavy chains, ideal for shipyards and heavy industries. Powered by a 200 horsepower hydraulic system and weighing 12 tons, these shearers deliver powerful, accurate cuts through the toughest materials. The Liebherr LR13000 is a massive crawler crane with a 3,000-ton capacity, offering a maximum system length of 246 meters, thanks to its 120-meter main boom and 126-meter luffing fly jib. It boasts a 240-meter hook height and can operate without derrick ballast, thanks to a powerful slewing ring. Resonant pavement breakers are specialized machines designed to fracture concrete and asphalt with minimal disruption. Using 200 horsepower engines, they generate high-frequency vibrations to break pavement without damaging the underlying base. Weighing around 25 tons, these machines are highly efficient for road rehabilitation. The Overaassen RS 400 performance line is a top-tier snowblower designed for extreme efficiency. Powered by a 400 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 20 tons, it effortlessly clears heavy snowfall with precision. Its advanced thrower and adjustable chute provide optimal snow management. The Pearson Engineering Pearson Engineering route opening and clearing capability is a robust and versatile machine designed to clear obstacles and detect explosive threats. Weighing up to 30 tons, it operates with a 450 horsepower engine, delivering high torque for demanding terrain. Its advanced plow system and powerful sensors enable safe and efficient route clearance, making it essential for military operations and peacekeeping missions. The SEPSACV streamlines the assembly of precast reinforced concrete beams for bridge construction, delivering precision and efficiency. With a robust 450 horsepower engine and weighing 200 tons, this specialized equipment positions beams accurately, enhancing structural integrity and reducing build time. The machine's advanced hydraulic system and automated controls ensure seamless beam alignment, making it indispensable for modern bridge engineering projects. The Caterpillar 8200 dragline is a powerhouse in surface mining, boasting a massive 200-ton payload capacity. With a formidable 2,500 horsepower engine and an operating weight of around 3,000 tons, this dragline excels in large-scale material handling. Its robust design and advanced hydraulic system ensure exceptional digging depth and efficiency, making it a vital asset for heavy excavation tasks